Hello everyone, this is Shilpi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you how to run our portfolio website inside the Docker. So basically, first of all, I will give you the brief introduction of our portfolio website. This is our portfolio website. In this portfolio website, we have like folders, images, we have a file, Docker file, index.html, script.js, and style.css. So basically, index.html is basically used for all the code of HTML of our website. So it contains all the HTML code. Then we have a script.js. Script.js contains all the script related code inside this JS file. And that we have a style.css. It contains all the styling code. After that, we have images folder. It contains the portfolio profile picture. And then we have a Docker file. Docker file contains all the instructions or command to build our Docker image. So first of all, I will show you the portfolio website, how it looks. So I will run open with live server. So this is our portfolio website. In this portfolio website, we have a home, about, skills, projects, contact. We can click on that and can get the information about it. And skills, this is skills, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Docker, Git, Python. And then I'll get the projects related information here, portfolio website, project, weather app project, Docker project. And then we have a contact. So this is our portfolio website looks like. So after that, I will show you the Docker file. Docker file contains these commands like from, copy, expose, and cmd. So first is from command space nginx colon alpine. So in this command we have used from command. From command is basically specify the base image for the Docker. So in this case, I have used Nginx colon Alpine. So Nginx is our a web server. So it provides HTML file or JavaScript or images file to our web browser. Then we have a Alpine. Alpine is a Linux distributed operating system, which is very smaller in size compared to Ubuntu and Debian, and it is very fast to download our Docker image, and it takes very less space. So after that we have a copy command, then copy, after that dot, then we have a slash user slash share slash nginx slash html. So in this command we have copy all the files of our portfolio website to the website container, or we can say nginx web server. So this is a by default location for nginx server. So it will take all the files or html or images from this location. Nginx server will take all the files from this location. After that, we have expose command, expose 80. Expose 80 indicates that the application inside the container listens on port 80. So basically, this is a by default HTTP port 80. After that, we have a CMD in nginx -g, then daemon off. So this CMD command is basically used for run our nginx web server, and the option daemon off is used for it keeps nginx web server running in the foreground. After that, we will build the Docker image. For the Docker image, we have a command. We will just open the terminal inside the project folder, and then we run this command, docker build hyphen t portfolio hyphen website space dot. So let's understand this command first. So first of all, we have a Docker build. Docker build command is used to create a Docker image. Hyphen T assigns a name to our image. So hyphen T is basically used to assign the name to the image. So we have already given the portfolio hyphen website. This is a our Docker image name. After that space, then dot. The dot means Docker uses the current folder as the build context and the reads the Docker file from here. So after the few seconds, we can see the Docker successfully creates the image. Let me show the I will show the this command. How can we run this command on the VS Code? Will show you how to create a or how to build a Docker image. So for that we have a command docker build -t. Then we can give the Docker image name portfolio underscore website space dot. So it will create our Docker image. After creating the image, we can verify the image it will build or not by this command docker images. So we have this image created for portfolio website here. After this, we will run the container. So that how to run the Docker container. So this is the command docker run -d -p 8080 colon 80 space hyphen name space portfolio hyphen container space portfolio hyphen websites. Let's understand this command. Docker run. Docker run is a command to create and start a container. For creating a and starting a container, we have used docker run. After that, we have a -d. Right, it shows the detached mode and runs it in detached mode, meaning it runs in the background. So this command will be run in the background. After that, -p. -p is basically used for port mapping. So we have used 8080 colon 80. So it maps port 8080 on my computer to the port 80 inside the container. After that, we have a hyphen name portfolio space portfolio hyphen container. It gives the container a readable name. So it gives basically a container name which has portfolio container. After that, portfolio underscore sorry hyphen website. It is the image name. We have already give the portfolio website image previously. So basically we will use to create the container. Then now we can run the container successfully after running this command. Then I will show you how to run this command on VS Code. Hmm, why it's not pasting? Let me again let me again copy this command and paste it here and then enter. Debug this container error with God and Docker. Help me fix this container error. Error response from daemon conflict. The container and portfolio container is already in use by a container. Okay, so we can say change the name. It's already there. We can give the portfolio container 1 and then enter. So basically it runs successfully. Then I will show you the website. Localhost. So yeah, so basically it runs our website successfully. This is our portfolio website. we have already seen previously. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much. Bye.